Digital solutions for the public sector. The following two example apps demonstrate what is possible using our platform: a property inspection and a road maintenance form. Government property inspectors examine sewer and water systems, buildings, dams, and highways to ensure that they are in compliance with governmental codes and standards and are safe for use. Inspections are necessary, as checking the condition of a property helps planning of any work required to the property. This form allows the user to capture a property's location manually, or pre-populate fields by capturing a GPS coordinate. Upload multiple images from the device's gallery, record occupant details, and lists of items to be checked per room or area, which are visible as tabs at the top of the screen, allowing you to navigate between each category, or using the navigational buttons placed at the bottom of each page. Each tab provides the user with a high-level checklist view that can be drilled into to fill out detailed information and user-friendly navigation within each category when completing the checks. Choices are given to the user to simplify information that's captured, and the ability to add in more detailed information, whether it be text or images. Then jumping back to view a completed list. And upon submitting, a customized PDF report can be generated, emailed, or pushed to an online storage platform using one of our pre-built form connectors. Next up, road maintenance. Roads make a crucial contribution to economic development. Maintaining them correctly and recording work carried out can help prevent irreversible deterioration and aid future project planning. This form allows initial information to be recorded automatically or manually, the signed-in user and location information, then capturing detailed work carried out on a separate page, and allowing the user to capture multiple entries by selecting the Add option available. Within the entry, simply selecting a work type, surface type, and work status with the Choices field, and then adding comments for additional information. And regarding the images that are captured, they can also be watermarked with the date and GPS. Simply click Add again, and as you can see in the top right hand corner, we are on the entry number 2. Once capturing is complete, all entries can be viewed concisely from a high level, numbered and editable if changes are to be made. And no form of this nature would be complete without providing the user with the ability to sign off. The property inspection and road maintenance forms are merely examples of what is possible using our platform, and can be easily customized, edited, and updated to suit a specific sector's standard. I hope this video has helped demonstrate how versatile our platform is. And if you're looking to rapidly create real-world applications, integrate with external systems, implement workflows and dispatch jobs, increase overall productivity and simplify your current business processes, I encourage you to sign up for a no-obligations free trial or get in touch for further details.